G'day, I'm Cath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. So I have a gentleman here who's going to introduce himself and what he does to make a difference in the world.
Hey, thanks, Cath. My name is Farhan, Dr. Farhan Shazad. I'm a specialist physician based in Sydney. I like to educate junior doctors and release medical content out on social media. So I do that every Monday on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. I've got my own following. And it's amazing to come in today and learn from Catherine. I've learned so much, and I highly recommend everybody to learn the Million Dollar Handshake.
Thank you. But where can we get your information? How do we find you?
So you can go on my website, drfarhanshazad.com, and I've also got a presence on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook as well. I work in Sydney on near Town Hall Station. I've got a clinic in Ingleburn as well.
That's fantastic. So here is one of our brand new influencers in the world. Thank you very
Cheers.
much.
Thank you.